Greetings, everybody. How you doing? This is Coach Fleischer, and this is Kinesiology 111, summer term. Reaching out, touching base with you guys regarding progress for the class and where we stand. If we go to the course layout, and I did notice a typo in here actually earlier today, where it just kind of auto-generated January as opposed to June. You can see here Jan 12th. But we are currently right smack dab in the orange. So you guys completed all the red. If you remember Roy G. Biv, we completed the red. Had Check for Learning 1, and now we're into the orange, and we're looking at Check for Learning 2 at the end of this week. Now, I have to tell you, I went in and looked, and I did see that 4 people missed this Check for Learning 1. So if you missed that assignment, send me an email, and we'll come up with a way for you to resolve this issue. Otherwise, you've missed 25% of the points available in that area of the course, and it's going to be difficult for you to earn, if I can say it like that, earn a good grade. So if you've missed one of the 4, send me an email and we'll resolve the issue. Check for Learning 2 is not yet completed. I'm going to work on that later on today, possibly tomorrow, and I should have that up in time for you guys, probably late Thursday, early Friday, but I'll have that up and you'll have plenty of time like last time, a week minus 1 minute to be able to get that done. And then we'll be moving right into yellow afterwards. So I'm going to close this guy out and close this guy out, his twin brother, and that was found in the course layout. So if we go into course materials, and we scroll it down to the orange folder in module 2, you'll have all the videos and all the information you need, all the write-ups, everything else, and then in here is where you'll find Check for Learning 2. I will, like always, create an announcement with that, and you'll be able to link right from the announcement page right out to the Check for Learning assignment. So that shouldn't be a problem either. I did go into Team Builder, and in Team Builder, you can see I blacked out the athlete names. It's just for privacy concerns because they had all of your names in there. But 62 assigned exercises, right? So you had 62 exercises you were given to complete. And of those, this is the number completed and this is the percentage. So some have had 100%, 100%, and we've had a person who didn't do any. So now here's the thing. If this class, if you think of it in terms of attendance and participation, right now, in attendance and participation points, some people are tracking at 80%, some people are tracking at 56%, a couple are tracking at 100%. Nice job, way to go. And you can always go back into your Team Builder and go back and scroll back to a Tuesday or Thursday from a couple of weeks ago and complete those workouts and just hit the completed, check, and then save button. And that way you'll get those points. Remember, the goal here, like these attendance and participation points, I'm using Team Builder as a way for you to acquire those points because we don't actually meet in a fitness studio or meet in a classroom. So I'm trying to find ways to actually have you guys earn more points, and this is it right here. So if you haven't done your entire workouts, go back and get your points because those will add up for your grade. All right, guys? So I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope your workouts are going well, and I definitely will be looking forward to seeing a couple emails coming in from the people who missed that first Check for Learning, and we can arrange an amicable solution for both sides. And then also looking ahead to the Check for Learning 2, which will be up later on this week. Guys, have a great workout, have a great, safe summer, and I'll catch you later on. Signing off.